Okay, so I'm in my demo account just to show you this. So it may look different when you're in your live account, but there's two ways you can do it. You can click here and put a stop loss or whatever you want right here. So let's just say, for an example, I'm going to just say, let's see, say I'm going to sell this pair right here. I can pick my lot sizes based on whatever you choose and click sell. And in the demo account, they actually will put this here where you can slide it right here to wherever you want your take profit or your stop loss. You can do that. That's one way of doing it. The other way you can do it, let me get this out the way, is to click on this button called trade. And right here, you can click on sell. And then right here, you can put in your stop loss and take profit, and you can put the numbers right here, what you want. So if you over here, you say, okay, I want my stop to be at 66,890. So that's what you would put right here, 66,890. Okay, and if you don't want to put a take profit, you don't have to. But let's say you want to put a take profit at 66,405, which is right here, 66,405. So we'll put in here 66,405, and you're on the market button, and then you just click the sell, and there you go. So everything's right in there for you. Okay, so the best and easiest way to make sure is to click this trade button, and then this will pop up this option. You go to the market, and you click on this checkbox right here to put in your exact take profit and your stop loss, and then just hit it there. Okay, all right, hopefully that helps.